Zup Squad, it's me, Trail Gamer, back on Nintendo Switch 1. This is episode 10 of PKMD, Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Alright, let's dive into it. In the last episode, I was in Silent Chasm. I was in this room, but while I was, while I was off camera, I just went here or some there, and then back there. I don't know if I ended there or there. I forgot. And also I healed. I hope this poison doesn't get the best of the two of us. Charming, my character. Pokemon. Nice one, Miguel. Suspend points and restart again. That used up both of my reviver seeds. That used up both of my reviver seeds. Oh my god. Alright, second floor. That took so long. And instantly. Third floor. That took us so long. And we're not poisoned anymore. And I'm just gonna give Thornberry to Charmy. Alright, good. I see an Ariani there. That's from Ian. Nice one, Ian. Cool. The poison got to Greg, the Chikorita. So Greg has to eat another Oranberry. Oh jeez. Wait a minute. lifesaver. Alright, 4th floor. This is taking so much longer than I expected. Yes! Alright. Being incredibly lucky for himself to be amazing. If I remember correctly, Yanma could probably travel on the water slots because Yanma flies. System can go apart. I need my muscles here. See, I told you Yanma could. Both sides. Oh no. No, Weeder. Weeder, no. No. No! Alright, I'm gonna create a suspend point here. I do not want to restart all over again. That's a Weeder. Come on. Why did I not aim? There. There. No. God's sake, Peter. Come on. Please be a reviver seed. No, come on. At least I'm at the 7th floor. Another alarm, sorry. This video is chock full of alarms, ain't it? Try me handle that one. Nice. Charmy, go. Go Charmy. This Yanma. I need to figure out something to talk about. So Pokemon Mystery Dungeon is basically just you trying to find the correct room for the exit. Weedle! Please let that be not my last survivor seed. Oh, Weedle! Why? This is my backup slot, right? Hang on, I'm just gonna zoom in. Yeah, Greg and Charmy, still Greg and Charmy, yeah. Anyway, do that. I'm gonna check this. And still on B6F. I do not want to go down one floor for a reviver scene. No! Come on, yan mo. Another. No. Weedle, no. Thank goodness. Taking a second. Double team. I think I might need to do a part 2. This dungeon is taking so long. Oh my god, come on! Dungeon taking so long. Yes. Please take me down to my floor. Ah. Yep, I'm gonna have to do another part 2 video. Come on. And this is the perfect time to use my grapple rock. No! Alright, thank goodness. Oh, come on! So many enemies. Alright, I have to make a part 2 because the time limit and the dungeon don't mix well. So that's it for now. See you in part 2 of episode 10. Bye guys!